Okay, so I got a request to vacuum my daughter's blanket, but her sheets need it more because I washed her blanket the other day. But as you can see on her bed, it's pure hair. These are these teenage kids these days. So I said, let me just use the Bissell and just try to vacuum off her bed. Big bulk of hair. Okay, so my vacuum already has dirt in it because I'm saving it for the mess tests that I'm going to do right after this video. And yeah, so I try to get all the hair off her bed, spread up her bed for her neatly, and then I'm going to vacuum her floor with the Bissell because I vacuumed it last time with the rocket. So I want to see how much it can get out with the Bissell. And yeah, I bought her this bed, the bed frames. It's like I'm out of breath. I brought her the bed frames, but her bed was a double and this is a queen, so I have to get her some queen mattresses. But for now, it's working. Yeah, so this request was for a person that asked me to do her blankets, and I will do that request, but I just thought that her sheets needed it more today. All right, stay tuned.